One Take Tyler here from Vernon Toyota. We're going to have a look at this 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It is an access cab in the off-road package. So really well equipped. Does have your TRD skid plate there, off-road wheels. It is a push button start with smart key. Really well equipped inside here. Navigation, backup camera, heated front seats. Does have your full off-road capabilities with the multi-terrain select, crawl control, locking rear diff. This truck has had no accidents, very well maintained. Has the full tow package there, 4-pin, 7-pin wiring. So 35,995 plus dock and tax is what we're asking. It has 56,000 kilometers on this 2017 TRD off-road Tacoma. If I can give you any more information, give me a shout at Vernon Toyota, 250-545-0687. Thanks and have a great day.